Welcome. If you've been trying to update the description of your WhatsApp group but aren't sure how to do it, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to change your group description in WhatsApp step by step. It's fast, easy, and only takes a few seconds. Let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where you can see all your conversations. Scroll through until you find the group whose description you want to change. Next, tap on that group to open the chat. Once the conversation is open, take a look at the very top of your screen. You'll see the group's name there. Tap on it. This will open the group's information page, where you can view details like participants, group settings, and more. Now, on this page, look for the section that shows your current group description. It's usually displayed beneath the group name. Tap on that existing description. This will open up an editable text box, where you can write a brand new description for your group. Type in your new group description, something that fits the purpose or vibe of your group. It could be a fun tagline, an important update, or even group rules. Once you've entered your new text, press OK to save it, and that's it, you're done. Your new group description will instantly appear to all members in the group. It's a great way to keep everyone updated or simply add a bit of personality to your chat. Remember, if you ever want to change it again, you can follow these same steps anytime. Just make sure you're an admin, or that group permissions allow members to edit the description. So now you know exactly how to change a group description in WhatsApp, step by step. Go ahead and give it a try right now. Keep your group fresh, fun, and up to date. Thanks for watching.